Hi everyone and welcome. In this video, I'll talk about the features of Zoom. So when you start a Zoom meeting, you will notice that we have a bar at the bottom, and then you have some icons of all the tools we can use in Zoom. So the first one is the microphone that you use to speak. Then you have the camera, which you can activate and deactivate. Yeah, for example, if I deactivate the camera, this will appear. Then we also have these options where you have more alternatives for the camera and video setting, and also to choose a virtual background. When you click choose a virtual background, it gives you the alternative to choose one of the pictures in your computer to show as a virtual background. In my case, I cannot do that because my computer is kind of old, so I cannot use any pictures. Then in this part we have participants. Yeah, when you click there, you notice that a new window opens on your left and it shows the list of people who attend your meeting. As you can see now, it's only me, so there are no more people. We also have a very important tool, that's the chat. And when we click there, we see that we can start using it in order to interact with our students. For example, they may ask you questions to clarify things about the topics you are explaining. We also have this tool that says share screen. When you click on share screen, you come to this option and then you can share your screen. For example, now I'm showing only my computer, but I can show any other things on my computer. I can open websites, for example. If we're working on new vocabulary, we can use Dictionary Cambridge. This web page. Or you can also project a PowerPoint presentation, or you can present a video or anything you want to project. To stop sharing your screen, you just click on this button. Then we also have this tool that says record. When you click there, you start recording your virtual meeting. And then you can see that the icon of recording appears on the top. If you want to stop your recording, you just click there and it's paused or stopped. Another alternative you can use is the breakout rooms. In this case, I cannot use it because I don't have any participants, so I cannot organize them in different areas. Then we have reactions. So this is a tool participants and the teacher can use to show how you feel about something. So basically, these are the tools we have with Zoom when we have our meetings, and I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you very much.